What if I told you that milk isn't even in the top 5 when it comes to building stronger bones? Right now, millions of seniors are drinking glass after glass of milk thinking they're protecting themselves. But there are 5 common foods that blow milk out of the water when it comes to calcium. And the number 1 food on this list? Most people have never even heard it mentioned for bone health. What I'm about to share could be the difference between staying strong and independent or becoming fragile as you age. Hello, I'm Dr. Alpha, and welcome back to Alpha Vitality, where we help you stay strong, healthy, and independent as you age. Today, we're busting one of the biggest myths in nutrition, that milk is your best friend for bone health. The truth? There are 5 powerful foods that pack even more calcium than milk, and they come with benefits that go way beyond just your bones. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which foods to add to your plate to build stronger bones, support your muscles, and maintain the independence you've worked your whole life to keep. And I think you'll be surprised by which food takes the number 1 spot. We're starting off with a food that's been around since ancient times, but most people today completely overlook it. It's small, simple, and packed with nutrients, yet few realize it can rival milk for calcium. Let's uncover what makes this grain so powerful. 5. Amaranth, the ancient bone builder. Amaranth is an ancient grain that's making a comeback, and for good reason. A single cup of cooked amaranth contains around 116 milligrams of calcium, making it a great option to boost your calcium intake, especially compared to other grains. On top of that, amaranth is rich in magnesium, which helps your body use calcium more effectively. Magnesium is key for bone density and can help reduce the risk of osteoporosis. It's also high in protein and fiber, which makes it great for digestion and keeping you full for longer. Plus, for anyone avoiding gluten, amaranth is naturally gluten-free, making it a perfect grain substitute for those with gluten sensitivities. Not only does amaranth support bone health, but it's also packed with antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage and promote healthy aging. So, adding amaranth to your diet doesn't just help your bones, it also supports your overall wellness. You can cook amaranth like rice, add it to soups, or even use it as a base for a healthy breakfast porridge. Try mixing it into salads or making a pilaf for a delicious and nutrient-packed meal. It's a versatile, nutrient-dense grain that's perfect for getting that extra calcium into your meals. If you thought grains were impressive, wait until you see what's next. The next food is tiny, almost unnoticeable, but don't underestimate it. This super seed carries more calcium than you'd expect and can be added to just about anything. Let's talk about it. 4. Chia seeds, the tiny calcium powerhouse. Chia seeds might be small, but they are packed with calcium. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds provide 179 milligrams of calcium, which is more than what you'd get from a small glass of milk. But chia seeds don't stop there. They're also loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are fantastic for heart health and reducing inflammation. Chia seeds are also an excellent source of fiber. In fact, 2 tablespoons give you about 10 grams of fiber, which is around 40% of your daily recommended intake. Fiber is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system and supporting weight management. Additionally, chia seeds are rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. What's great about chia seeds is how easy they are to incorporate into your daily routine. You can sprinkle them on oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or make chia pudding by soaking them in milk overnight. You can even use them as an egg replacement in baking, making them perfect for vegan or plant-based recipes. Whether you're looking for a quick snack or a nutritious boost to your meals, chia seeds are a fantastic choice. So far, we've talked about grains and seeds, but what about greens? The next food is a leafy vegetable that not only beats milk in calcium, but also brings an entire lineup of vitamins that protect your heart and eyes. Let's dive into it. 3. Collard greens, the leafy bone protector. Collard greens are one of the best plant-based sources of calcium. Just 1 cup of cooked collard greens contains about 357 milligrams of calcium, way more than you'd get from a glass of milk. And as a bonus, collard greens are packed with vitamin K, which helps your body absorb calcium more efficiently and supports blood clotting. These dark, leafy greens are also a great source of fiber, promoting healthy digestion and helping to lower cholesterol levels. In addition to calcium and vitamin K, collard greens are rich in vitamins A and C, which support immune function and skin health. The beta-carotene in collard greens is particularly beneficial for eye health, making this veggie a true nutrient powerhouse. If you're trying to add more greens into your diet, collard greens are incredibly versatile. You can saute them with garlic and olive oil, add them to soups, or even use the leaves as wraps for a low-carb, nutrient-dense alternative to tortillas. They pair well with proteins like chicken or tofu, and their hearty texture makes them a satisfying addition to any meal. Not only will you get a calcium boost, but you'll also enjoy a range of other health benefits. We've gone from the garden to the sea for the next one. This food may not look fancy, but it delivers a serious calcium punch, and even includes vitamin D to help your body use that calcium properly. Let's dive beneath the surface to find out what it is. 2. Sardines with bones, the ocean's calcium champion. Sardines might not be on everyone's grocery list, but they should be if you're looking to boost your calcium intake. A 3-ounce serving of sardines, with bones, provides about 325 milligrams of calcium, which is more than what you'd get from a glass of milk. And to make it even better, sardines are rich in vitamin D, which helps your body absorb calcium more efficiently and plays a critical role in bone health. What's more, sardines are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are excellent for heart health, reducing inflammation, and improving brain function. These fatty acids can also help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Sardines are a great source of high-quality protein, making them a perfect addition to your diet if you're looking to build or maintain muscle mass. Because sardines are lower on the food chain, they also tend to be lower in mercury compared to larger fish like tuna, making them a safer choice for regular consumption. Not sure how to incorporate sardines into your diet? Try adding them to salads, tossing them into pasta dishes, or enjoying them on whole grain toast with a squeeze of lemon and fresh herbs. They're versatile, nutritious, and absolutely worth trying if you want a calcium-packed meal. Hey, quick pit stop! If you're enjoying this so far, tap that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you haven't yet, hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming health tips. Alright, now here's something that ties directly into what we've been discussing. Now, here's the thing about calcium. Getting enough of it from food is fantastic, but your body also needs other key nutrients to actually absorb and use that calcium effectively. That's where something like a complete nutritional supplement can make all the difference. Speaking of supporting strong bones and overall vitality, I want to tell you about something I genuinely believe can complement everything we've talked about today: Moringa Magic. You've just learned about foods rich in calcium, but here's what many people don't realize. Calcium works best when paired with other essential minerals like magnesium, iron, and key vitamins. That's exactly what makes Moringa so powerful. Moringa Magic is made from 100% pure moringa leaves, one of the most nutrient-dense plants on the planet. Each capsule contains natural calcium along with magnesium to help your body actually use that calcium, plus iron, all 9 essential amino acids, and vitamins A and C for immune health. What I appreciate about Moringa Magic is that it's natural, non-GMO, and made right here in the USA. No artificial ingredients or fillers. Many of my viewers have shared that after taking it consistently, they notice real improvements in joint comfort, energy levels, and overall strength. If you're serious about supporting your bone health beyond just diet alone, Moringa Magic is worth considering. I've included a link in the description below, and they're offering Alpha Vitality viewers a special discount with free shipping on larger orders. We've made it to number 1. And this food might shock you. It's not a dairy product, it's not a fish, and it's not even a green vegetable. Yet it delivers almost 3 times the calcium of milk. Let's uncover what it is. 1. Tofu Calcium Set, the ultimate dairy-free calcium king. Taking the top spot is Calcium Set Tofu, a plant-based protein powerhouse. Just half a cup of Calcium Set Tofu can provide up to 861 milligrams of calcium. That's nearly 3 times what you'd get from a glass of milk. It's an incredible source of calcium, especially for those on plant-based diets or anyone avoiding dairy. Tofu is not just a calcium-rich food. It's also a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs for muscle repair and overall health. It's low in calories, cholesterol-free, and a great source of iron, which supports healthy blood and energy levels. For those who follow a plant-based diet, tofu is an absolute must when it comes to meeting your daily calcium and protein needs. What makes tofu even better is how versatile it is in cooking. You can bake it, stir-fry it, grill it, or toss it into soups and salads. Tofu absorbs the flavors of whatever you cook it with, so it can be used in a variety of dishes, from savory stir-fries to creamy desserts. Whether you're looking for a meat substitute or simply a nutrient-dense addition to your meals, Tofu is an excellent choice for getting more calcium into your diet. And there you have it. 5 powerful foods that give you more calcium than milk. From ancient grains and tiny seeds to leafy greens, ocean favorites, and plant-based proteins, each one brings something unique to the table. Together, they prove that strong bones and long-lasting vitality aren't just about drinking milk. They're about balance. These foods supply the calcium, magnesium, protein, and antioxidants your body needs to stay strong, mobile, and independent. By adding them to your daily routine, you're not just building stronger bones. You're building a stronger, more confident you for years to come. Now I want to know, did any of these foods surprise you? Maybe you've been drinking milk for years without realizing how much more calcium some of these foods have. Or maybe you've already been eating one without knowing its power. Which one would you try first to boost your bones? Drop your thoughts below. Your comment might inspire someone to start making healthier choices today. And if this video opened your eyes or got you rethinking what really builds strong bones, share it with someone you care about. You never know. A single share could help someone avoid bone loss, pain, or a future fracture. Let's get this message out and help more people take control of their health before it's too late. You've just discovered how to strengthen your bones with foods that are richer in calcium than milk, but muscles matter just as much. In the next video, we're revealing 6 must-eat foods every senior should add to their diet to fight muscle weakness and rebuild strength. The number 1 food is a complete game changer, something most people never think about. Click here to watch now and discover how to keep your muscles strong and your body unstoppable.